We are now in aspect 3 of covering Tavani's chapter 5 and our lecture 2 on privacy and cyber ethics. In the previous aspect 2, we addressed data gathering. Here, we will address data analysis, which is for prediction, and we'll look at examples of mortgage application and service by a professor. Data analysis refers to locating patterns in the data in order to construct our profiles and predict our states of mind and behaviors. In the case of big data, in the age of internet, this analysis is done by computers and software that constantly access and browse data from multiple sources and data banks, looking for correlations and other patterns. We may not even be aware that we fit these profiles or that these are the behaviors we are likely to engage in. For example, a computer may discover that most people who are of our age, gender, and race who live on our block are likely to move once every 2 years. We may not have known that that kind of a prediction can be made about us. And yet, data analysis produces that kind of a fact about us on the basis of which we will be treated by whoever accesses this data analysis. So the difference between data gathering and data analysis is, in data analysis, there is a construction of profiles on the basis of our past behavior and our demographics for the purpose of prediction our future behavior. Data gathering is just data gathering, not yet analysis. The example given by Tavani in his text was that of a woman who works in real estate and offered information about her salary, education, and so on for a mortgage application. According to the analysis done by the bank, persons who shared with her the similar intersections of demographics, age, gender, education, income, occupation, experience, were likely to open their own business in 2 years and be bankrupt in 10. The woman in Tavani's example was denied the mortgage on the basis of that data analysis. Likewise, we may be denied in our applications for various things on the basis of analysis of shared characteristics with other people who may, for example, shop for groceries at the same place as we do. Is our privacy violated by such data analysis practices? The second example offered by Tavani, which is an example of data gathering rather than data analysis, is that of a professor who collects contact and background information from his students in order to facilitate greater interaction and learning in that class. But then the professor passes this information on to a friend of his who is a job recruiter in the professional field related to this class. Is this a violation of those students' privacy?